Hey everybody! Ryan and I are here with our fancy reflective tops here. We're at Copart, Atlanta West.
Heck yeah, brother.
Well, we're gonna walk down here. We're gonna look at a 1994?
5 or 4?
F-150.
I see it. It's right there. I see the roof line.
See ya?
Yep.
And it's red. What are we hoping to do with this little vehicle, Ryan?
We're gonna sell it on the black market.
Actually, we're hoping the interiors. Oh, there it is, right there. We're hoping the interior is really nice, and if the interior is nice, we may do a little interior swap into our 1996. I thought it was a 6. 1995. Sorry. So we'll see. Here it is.
Dude, this truck is in amazing shape.
This looks really nice. The headliner
looks good. A little imperfection here, but I mean, yeah. Compared to what ours looks like, this thing is cherry. Power windows, power locks.
Yeah, we need those.
Let's pop that hood and see the engine. Hey bro, start this sucker. Here, let me film you and see if it'll start.
Okay.
Go ahead, JJ Money. Put them keys in that ignition. Okay, and we're running and rolling. Jason. She started right up. Body's good. So here's the things I'm after, guys, just to give you an idea of what I want. I want all this stuff. I want this. I want this. I want this seat. I want this headliner and the piece of resistance. Is that right there, folks? If you know anything about these XLT Fords, that stainless steel piece right there is like the piece of resistance. They've carried it over to the Platinums. They've done it all. I mean, that right there is what I really want. And then, if you go up here, you see that window on the back? That's a solid back window. Ours is a split middle. We want that too.
Yeah, we do.
So there's a lot of pieces in this truck that we want. And it's a short bed. Yeah, it's a short bed like ours. So if we wanted, we could use the bed liner. Hey, you know what I love the most about this truck?
What do you love?
Dude, that's...
So what do you think? Should we buy this one, Ryan?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
I think we should too. Absolutely. This has everything we want, and I think we can clean most everything up, right?
We can definitely
kind of detail it.
Yeah.
Throw them in the middle seat, Ryan, because I think that's pretty cool.
So this has a storage here, so you can store stuff, and then it has your cup holders that are in the seat, and then it has this. So it's another third seat.
See, that's pretty awesome.
And then obviously you have the power windows, power locks, power mirrors.
Yeah.
All the benefits you want, but they're period correct.
Yeah.
So we don't have to do anything drastic to alter the interior of ours and get you all the creature comforts, including and not limited to lumbar support.
See, that's surprising to me, and it works. You listen to it. See, that's pretty awesome. I thought this gauge cluster looks like new.
Yeah, 99,000 miles.
I mean, look at that.
We have to get it. We have to win this truck, dude.
This is exactly what we need.
Everything.
So tell everybody what the plan is then.
So the plan would be then is to take all the functioning components that make this truck what it is. I mean, look at the pockets, the door. You got a pocket here, you got a pocket here. This is clearly an XLT model, so it's the next level. Ours is just a sport, so it's base. This is about as accessorized as you can get for these years. So what we would do is we would take this seat, this whole dash, steering and everything, all of it out, all the trim and headliner. I mean, even this part back here behind the seats, which I can't tell you how nice this stuff is.
Yeah.
Look at how lush that is. We would take all that.
Yep.
And then all this, the door panel, we would have to spray this, but clean it up, you know. Yeah. All this stuff would come out. And then we would put it in our truck.
Yeah, including the back window. Ours has the little slider window in the middle.
Split back.
We'd rather have the big window, so we'll switch that out too.
And the reason we we want the solid one is so we can put a big JMR sticker right there.
Oh, really? That's the reason?
That's it. The only reason.
Well, the truck is red.
Yes.
So then when we get all that done, we swap everything. Then we're going to sell this one. Someone will have a nice beater truck with a 5.0.
Yep.
Two-wheel drive. It's got two tanks in it.
Tanks, yep. So just to give you guys an idea of what it would cost to completely do an interior like this, to have it redone, you're looking at somewhere between 3 to 4 or even up to 5 grand, depending if you want the Alcantara and all that. This gets us in a new interior with all the bells and whistles, all the options, and we'll break even because we'll sell it for what we got it for.
Yeah.
So it's like a win-win. There's no loss here, in other words.
No, I agree.
So
it is kind of fun to be here at Copart, looking at a truck that we're going to try to buy on Friday.
yes, we're buying. We're not trying to buy. We're buying this truck. We're not getting anywhere close to this interior.
That's true. It's true. This is as nice as it gets, and we're not going to get another one this nice.
No, not this cherry. That's not the next one up.
That's it. Outbid 25.
Do it. Do it.
They're going quick.
Holy crap.
Winning 27.50.
Do it.
This is a hot lot.
28.50.
Do it. It's 3 grand. 31.
What do you think?
Do it.
32. He wants it bad. You mean get it or not?
Yeah. Just let these two go back and forth.
It's at 3,300, Ryan.
Do it.
I'm almost at my limit. It's 35. $3,500. That's my limit. That's it. Didn't get it.
We're gonna lose it for 50 bucks.
Maybe.
We just lost it over 50 bucks.
This time.
We just lost it over 50 bucks.
No, we lost it over 1,050 bucks.
No, 50 bucks. We lost it over 50 bucks.
I know, but that guy would have kept. You can't think of it that way. That guy.
You can't. You don't know that though.
But you don't know if that guy was willing to go.
I know we lost it over 50 bucks for sure. I know that with certainty.
It was always going to be 50 bucks.
We don't know that.
If we lose it, it's going to be 50 bucks.
Exactly.
Every time.
Exactly. Yes, correct. We
That's
lost it over 50 bucks.
It is what it is.
That's awful.
I would say we'll leave it up to God.
It is with sadness and great remorse that we come to you today. The day, several weeks later, after we lost that red truck. But
There was a lot of sadness there and a lot of angst.
$50. That's all it took. $50. But if you stay tuned, we got a little secret. If you look at the timer, you're only like 8 or 9 minutes in, and it's like a 19-minute video. So that means we get another truck. We get another truck.
Ours says it's worth $37.58. Our top bid is $23.50.
Yeah, $23.50.
And we've already put it in through a broker, through AutoBidmaster.
Yeah, we're bidding in a state that's illegal to bid in unless you're connected.
Illegal. So if we win this thing right here in the next 2 minutes, then we're driving into Spartanburg,
South Carolina.
and we're gonna go pick up this truck, hopefully for
It's only 3 hours one way.
hopefully $13.50. We've done this before. All you have to do is feed
Here
Ryan
goes.
a whole bunch of sunflower seeds.
Here we go. We're on the block.
All right, here we go. $13.50. No bids. No bids. No bids. No bids.
It's gonna bid right at the last.
No,
second.
no bids.
I call him the Jason bid.
Zero.
Here comes the Jason
None.
bid. Here comes
No
the Jason
bids.
bid.
Zero.
Jason
Zero.
bid.
Zero.
Jason bid.
Zero.
Jason bid. We won it. We won it, son. Yeah, baby.
Not a single bid.
Let's get on Auto Bidmaster and make sure confirm it.
Not a single bid.
Bam.
What is this truck called, Ryan?
The Blanco Longo. It's Spanish for white Longo.
You know, you sent me the name of that last night. I was like, Longo? That's not even a Spanish word. That's not... What are you even talking about?
You don't know Spanish, so don't talk.
I don't know. Hey,
Speaking the language of my people.
all of our friends down in Mexico who watch our channel, comment below
They're
if
not your
Longo
friends.
is actually
They're
a
my
word.
friends.
If it's actually a word.
All of our Mexican subs, you know who you like.
Blanco Longo, right
Blanco
there.
Longo.
There he is.
Hey, y'all. Hey, look, it come with Band-Aids in case I got hurt. You know I'm gonna get hurt. Thank you. Hey, look now.
So the question is, Ryan, how's the interior? Because
Hey, I'm looking for goodies.
no, how's the interior?
Look at that daggum thing right there, baby. Look at her. Look at her. She is perte. We could recondition the seats, but
Yeah. Well, it's old.
dang, son.
got
She good looking.
And it's got all the steering stuff.
Headliner needs to be done.
Figured it would. How about the tack? You got a tack? I'm assuming.
I'm assuming. Nope.
No tack.
No tack. You can add it though. Ford makes a kit, you can add it.
That's surprising. It looks good though. Seats look good. Just need to be clean.
Dude, she's a peach, baby.
This was a
She
good.
is a peach.
I think this was a good decision. What do you think? Good decision, Ryan?
I think we got ourselves a steal, brother man.
I love it.
Dude, purrs like a kitten. Can you say meow? Are you ready to die? I mean, get it off? It looks great. Send it. Drive it all the way up there. Hold on, let me get in the back. Here we go. Woo! I don't think that's supposed to look like that, y'all. I could be wrong, but I don't think that's supposed to look like that. This tire is a shot one. I don't figure it's repairable. I think if we put some duct tape on here, I think we can get her to hold air. It's just, I don't know that this here is repairable. It's got that stainless steel bumper, y'all. That thing is a peach.
Stainless steel bumper or this right here?
Yeah, that thing.
Stainless
Tailgate cover.
Yeah.
Bumper's kind
That'll
of
be
bad,
nice.
but so as you guys saw, this side's kind of, Jason hit it on the way down the
Little
trailer.
Patty Wampus, maybe?
Yeah, you hit it on the way down the trailer. It was mint until Jason got in there.
And it's a long bed.
Yeah, long bed. It's got really high-end steps on her, as you guys can see there.
Yeah.
It's got the power mirrors.
It
Which
does
is-
have power mirrors, doesn't it?
Yeah, power windows. Look at this. Look at them suckers, huh? Look at them, huh? Lock, power lock. Power lock. Again. Oh, look, this is a dash cover. Jason loves these. That's why the dash looks so good.
It is one of the desks.
We need to put it back up there. There now. Grab a hold of this. Put it back up there. Cover her up. She can't be getting all functified. Hey, now look at this. Woo! We rich, Jason. We just won the lotto.
What do we got?
What we got? Ooh, we got some COVID tissues. Gonna have to want to stay.
Oh, here we go.
Oh yeah. What's that for?
That's for the
LED
lights. I wonder where they were plugged in.
Yeah, where was the power? What we got here?
They might have been under the dash, Ryan.
Yeah.
They were plugged in.
Look, I bet this is a power charge port.
Feels bad.
Yeah.
Look at how nice this looks though.
Oh, that's like brand spanking new.
Is that? Yeah, that's really nice.
Oh yeah.
And this is not that bad. This
We'll probably just tear those out.
Yeah, but this headliner, look, it's not that bad.
No, you're right. It's drooping a little bit.
Crinkle right here.
Yeah. All right, but look, this is a part that you don't see every day. This is an original factory radio. This trim, guys, all this stuff is just mint. Look at this. This is a piece that always goes bad, and it's just got a black mark on it. That's it.
It's not a crack?
No, that's a black mark. Looks like a marker.
Really?
Yeah, I think we polished that out. But guys, come on, look at this. This is Jason. What do you think of this? Other than it not having a tack,
it's great.
Wait until y'all see how clean this is under here. It is immaculate. Look at this.
Wow.
This is a 96. This thing looks amazing under here. I can't get over how clean it is.
Makes you wonder if it just been in the garage the whole time.
I don't know, man. 95,000 miles. It's a 96. It's what, 19 years old? 25 years old? 25 years old, guys. Yeah, mask for Marines. Don't worry about it. So, and then look at it. It runs great. The motor's solid. So just so you guys know, the plan is to take what we need out of this truck. We're gonna take the interior out of it, swap it, fix whatever we can, get the reaxle out of our truck if we have to, or the pieces that hold it in place, shackles, whatever you call them, hangers, whatever. And then we're gonna sell this bad boy.
Yeah.
We may have someone on the hook already for it. If we don't, hit us up. We're gonna list it probably for somewhere around $5 grand. Again, it's gonna be a 96 with 95,000 miles, and it's mint. This engine can run 500,000 plus, easy. Hit us up, and it's a 4-speed or 5-speed?
I think it's a 4-speed with an overdrive.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure.
Well, guys, as we stand in front of the Blanco Longo.
Yeah, and we had this one back here too.
The blue beneficator.
Yeah.
We've come to the end of another brilliant episode.
Brilliant.
JM Orivo.
It was so amazing.
Welcome to the Lost Souls of Rich and Famous.
Well, thanks for hanging out with us today as we drove all the way to Spartanburg.
400 miles round trip.
Carolina in one morning.
400 miles round trip. Gotta get after it, guys.
We're dedicated for you guys.
We do this just for you. It's not because we get any sort of pleasure from it at all.
No, this is a drudgery for sure.
Yeah, we suffer through so that you guys can have amazing content.
Yeah, well, we appreciate you guys.
And I want to say thanks to the one fan who just bought one of our hats. Really appreciate you, Roberto, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Cruel. I can't pronounce your name, bro.
Did he get the JMR one?
He did. He got this one, bro.
Or just the R?
No, personally, we should have just the R's. But on that note, we'll see you next time. Generation!